Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because one of the lamps was broken, and that was because the steam valve assembly was super hard to twist and it was just having very difficult time opening and closing, and that's the reason why this ended up breaking. And yeah, that's the reason it was brought here. So we just replaced that little part, this one you see right here, and as well as the newer knob, as this one is broken, and that's all we did with this espresso machine. So started with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test this machine out, then we're gonna use the steam and then the hot water, which is the actual piece that we'll be doing here. Let me lower the spouts. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good shot of espresso. Good crema forming on the top as well, and excellent quantity. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working really good. And now the steam, which is going to take a little bit of time for the thermal block to reach temperature and for us to see steam coming out of the one. First it's going to push that excess water, and then after that it will start slowly steaming. Let's see right here. Once it gets to full pressure, it's steaming well this here. And there you have it, steaming perfectly fine, working really good, and not having any troubles opening or closing the valve. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.